Ola Electric, in its precautionary PR drive, has made a statement that it will develop new ferrite-based motors for its EVs. Mr. Rajiv Bajaj made a statement that August month could see almost nil EV production at Bajaj Auto. In a previous video, we had said that the Chinese government is testing the waters. It will not squeeze that hard. Rare earth based motors, yes, it is regulating their supply to the rest of the world, but it will not squeeze so hard that other countries and companies go on a massive war footing exploration and refining of rare earths. It will preserve its market share of rare earths, refined and rare earth magnets. And so I look at these noises from the Bajajes and the Olas and even TCS as more for public consumption. I don't think that it makes sense to really go for ferrite motors, because anyone who's been in industry, who knows motor technology, how the armature and stator get their magnetic fields, they realize that the torque and the power delivery which a rare earth magnet motor can give will not be possible to give by a ferrite motor. At the same time, just for precaution, maybe in lower performance bikes, it's possible to use. Also to keep the PR machinery going for some of these companies. They have made these statements, but bear it in mind, if the dollars which they invest in this technology, if they go further with R&D and spend lots of money, Chinese government may just pull the plug there, and countries which rush to safeguard themselves with exploration, refining and big billions of investments will find them facing lots of losses. The Chinese government is very business savvy. It will not lose control of this industry by squeezing supply.